In today's video, I'm going to share top 5 evergreen niches. Yes guys, evergreen niches that make you sales over a long period of time. Hey guys, what's up? This is me Vish. I have been in print on demand business more than a year and I'm here making print on demand content just for you guys in order to motivate you and give you guys the right tips and tricks. So guys, keep supporting me in this way. Like, comment and subscribe is very important and watch this video till the end. So let's get started. In the start of the video guys, I'm going to tell that I'm going to share some professions. Yes guys, the profession niches are very evergreen niches and that makes you sales over a long period of time. So here we are on our first niche. Our first evergreen niche is nurse, and here you can see all the designs, and here you can see the search results. Guys, don't fall for the search results. Basically you have to make designs on search results which are low. And guys, if we go below, here you can see all the designs, and here you can notice one thing, that all the designs here are stickers. So guys, these are all the best designs and they have stickers as their front image, and here you can see the sticker pack as well. And if you go below more, here you can see the brain and all the stuff related to nurse. Guys, basically these are all the best designs which are getting sale, and all these are stickers. As I told you earlier, that sticker pack makes a lot of sale. You can make designs related to them, and you can also put quotes as well. You can also make sticker bandages as well, and these are all the designs guys. These profession niches are very cool and very important, as these let you make a lot of sales and make you sales over a long period of time. So guys, this is the first niche you can focus on, and you can make designs on. Make designs on these evergreen niches as much as you can, and from here you can see the best selling designs, and here you can see all the designs. These are all the best selling designs. From up there you can see the tags as well, and you can also choose the topic. So make designs on these sub niches, and these sub niches gonna make you nearly sale. The second evergreen niche is engineer, and here you can see the search results is very high, but you can make designs on these sub niches and you can use them for the tags as well. And if we go below, here you can see the simple writing, woman in engineering, engineer in progress, and all type of stuff. And here you can see these are all the very simple designs. Basically there's no rocket science, or here you, for making such type of designs, you don't have to be artistic genius or something like that. So guys, this is a very cool niche, and this could potentially make you a lot of sales. And if we go up there, and from here you can select the best selling designs, and from watching the best selling designs you can make assess that which type of designs are selling. So guys, you can make designs related to them, making resemblance to them, and soon you're gonna get your first sales, and who are getting sales, you're gonna get more sales. Our third evergreen niche for the profession is plumber, and here you can see the search result for this profession. The search results are very low, and here you can see all the related designs guys. You can make designs related or for the plumbers, as when the plumber day or something comes up, people definitely going to buy from you, as these are the professions that most of the artists or the designers really make designs on it. So you have to make designs on it and sub niche it with other niches as well. Here you can see the other tags as well, and from here you can make other sub niches designs as well. And if we go there to the best selling designs, these are all the best selling designs. You can make mask as well, you can make stickers as well. And here I am watching that there are less sticker packs, so make designs related to sticker packs using plumbers tools and all the stuff. So guys, this is it, make designs on it. Once you get the sales on such professions and such evergreen niches, you're definitely going to pray for me. So guys, this is it for this niche. The other evergreen niche is pharmacist, and guys, here you can see the search results. Search results are very low as comparative related to the profession. This profession is very important, and during the pandemic all these people are great, they are working for you guys, so you guys can get your basic medicines and all the medical help from them. so you can make designs for them just like future pharmacist and such like this. And here you can see are using sticker packs, so you can also make sticker packs as well. You can make designs, quotes, funny quotes related that I have once used legal drug dealer. So basically this is the niche. Here you can see all the designs. These are all the designs which are very beautiful, and you can make more designs on it as well. And if we go up here, we select the best selling designs. Here you can see all the best selling designs. You can make designs on it, and you can use different tags from the top sellers as well. And don't copy such designs, make related designs to them, and you can easily make such type of designs using Canva. And you haven't watched my video on Canva, go up there and watch my video on Canva. So guys, this is it. The last evergreen niche is teacher, and here you can see the definitely a great difference in the search results related to the other niches, as this profession is very important to all of us in all of our lives. Teachers are a great blessing of God. And here you can see all the designs. As you can see, the search results are very high, so you can make designs on sub niches and make your place there. And once you get your place there, you are gonna make sales on it. The topic you are watching up there, these are also be used as tags as well. You can make them use in your tag section, and you can make niches on them, and you can sub niche this niche with the other niche, and you can target two niches. And here you can see that most of the people make teacher quotes or related quotes related to the teacher or for the teacher, and the cooling quotes with the teacher quotes. And here you can do all the stuff, guys. I am just here to tell you some idea. The rest of the thing, the creativity is yours. And if we go there, here we can select the best selling designs, and from here the best selling designs, you can see all the beautiful designs. And here you can see this one as well, this one as well. All these designs are very beautiful. And guys, make sticker packs. Here you can see the future teacher and such type cute quotes and funny quotes related to the teacher. Here he is using apple and written teach, and here you can write teacher as well. And these are all the designs. So guys, this is the most evergreen niche. You can make designs for it. The niches I have told you are all the evergreen niches, and once you make a lot of designs on these niches, after 2 months, 3 months, or after 4 months, or after the year, you still getting the sales from such type of niches, as evergreen niches are the best. In my past videos, I always tell you guys about the trending designs or the trending niches, but I also know the importance of evergreen niches, so I think that I must share such evergreen niches with you guys. If you guys watching my video till this end, I am very thankful to you all the guys and all the people who subscribe my video in the end. I just again want to say, keep supporting me in this way, and like, comment, and please subscribe, get me to the 1000 subscriber. And once I get to the 1000 subscriber, I will surely give away a lot of things to you guys. Moreover, if you want more evergreen profession niches and want to know more about such niches, let me know in the comment section. I will make video every week on such niches as well. So this is it guys from my side. If you got any query, you can DM me freely on Instagram, and the link of Instagram is in the description below. So this is it guys from my side. Have a nice day. Cheers.